Welcome to the YAI video series. In the video series, we're going to interview domain experts from all aspects of the industry, both from vendors, from pharmaceutical, to try and shed some light on what's so exciting, what's so new, how to benefit from AI. We'll provide real-life examples, we'll provide case studies, we'll provide opinions on why AI. I'd like to encourage you to join our series and even participate. Looking forward to sharing ideas. Thanks. Why AI? I believe AI is opening up a wide range of possibility to better understand our customer, better understand our patients, better understand what's happening in our industry, how to devote resources to different opportunities, what kind of messages to send, how to educate different HCPs. It really is a plethora of different technologies that can come together to really change our industry. It's the first time that we have so much information, abundance of information on everything we want to know. And it's also very ironic that AI has been used in the clinical side of our industry for many, many years. It's the first time we have that opportunity. And it's encouraging that we can bring that technology to the benefit of patients, HCPs, and our entire ecosystem to really enable success. Over the past 10 years, there have been a shift in our industry, moving from what we call general purpose medicine, such as blood pressure management therapeutics, into what we call therapeutics that are biotechnology enabled. And that shift have necessitated the ability to better understand the patient, better understand the HCP, allows us to really be able to match a particular drug into a particular patient environment. And by that need, we've essentially distanced ourselves from the traditional commercial methodologies by which we distributed our solution into HCPs and patients, and necessitated a completely different approach, a comprehensive approach that would allow us to commercially be viable in the marketplace. So as I said earlier, that shift essentially necessitated a different approach to be able to make decisions pertaining to our commercial business processes. And that approach, as I said earlier, needed to dive deeper into understanding every scenario, every interaction with an HCP, every engagement with a patient. And therefore, AI lends itself very nicely to such environment. It allows us to essentially deeply model the world, understand the day-to-day, how the model changes, understand how each individual or event, I should say, affect that model, what are the different inner relationships, and by doing so, it allows us to start to make decisions at scale. It allows us to really respond very quickly to different events that are happening in our commercial execution. So let's take, for instance, the idea of targeting. We used to approach the targeting in a fairly simple manner, but a manner that really optimized the existing environment. So when life was much simpler and we needed to distribute, let's say, a blood pressure solution, we simply looked at the size of practices and the concentrations of patients within an HCP environment. And that allows us to kind of sort the different opportunities. Well, today, that situation, when we come into a biotechnology environment, that situation is no longer the case. We have to take a lot more different perspective model, as I said earlier, the world, and really allow us to make decisions in a more robust manner, taking into account all the different events and attributes that influence our decision making.